So if you've got a JBL Flip 7 Bluetooth speaker and you want to wirelessly connect and pair it with any smart TV, you want to use it as an external audio output source rather than your TV speaker, maybe to boost the overall sound quality. In this guide, let's go ahead and check out how to connect them together. Although we're using Philips TV for this video, but this will work on literally any Google TV like HiSense, TCL, etc. Alright, so the interface might slightly be different from TV to TV. So what we're going to do is just first find out settings on your TV. And from there, let's go ahead and go to Bluetooth or output settings. I'm going to go to the Bluetooth settings on my TV and then click on pair new device or accessories. After that, you're going to take your JBL Flip 7 into pairing mode. Just press on this power button to turn it on. If it's not connected to any device whatsoever in the same Bluetooth range, the Bluetooth button will start blinking going into pairing mode. If it doesn't, just press once on this button after turning it on, and it'll go into pairing mode by this flashing Bluetooth LED. Flip 7's name will pop up on your TV, just click on it, and from this prompt, just click on pair. And that's it, Flip 7 is now paired with your favorite smart TV. If you go into the settings, as you can see, you can disconnect your Flip 7 whenever you want. You can rename it, even forget it, whenever you don't want to use it anymore with your smart TV. Let us know in the comment section your sound experience of Flip 7 with your smart TV. Thanks for watching.